When you start getting quotes for a patio cover, one of the first things you notice is how wide the price range can be. One might come in much lower, another one much higher, even though they look exactly the same. That's where most of the confusions come from, and why we need to talk about structure, attachments, and material. The first factor to price is structure. How the cover is supported, how it's attached to your home, and how it's built to handle the weather can vary a lot. Some builds are designed just to meet the minimum, while others are built to be more rigid, more durable, and more integrated into your home long term. Freestanding patio covers will be the most expensive, followed by roof-mounted, and then lantern-mounted or house-mounted. Materials are another major difference, and this is where things start to separate more clearly. An acrylic patio cover, or APC, is designed to let light through while still giving you protection from the elements. It's typically a lighter system, faster to install, and usually comes at a lower price point. A wood patio cover is a completely different look. It's heavier, more structural, it gives you a more finished built-in look, and it feels like more extension of your home. It also opens the doors for things like lighting, fans, and a fully finished ceiling. But that added structure and flexibility comes with a higher cost. Then there's a hybrid patio cover, which blends the two. You have a wood structure with acrylic panels on top, giving both the strength and the light. The combination can land somewhere in the middle or even on the higher end depending on how it's designed. Then there's design and installation. A simple, standard cover is very different from something custom fit to your space. Roof pitch, how it ties into your house, post placements, and overall layout affect the complexity. On top of that, site conditions and access can change how much time and coordination the build requires. Permits and engineering can also impact pricing depending on your city and the scope of your project. Some builds are straightforward, while others require more planning and approvals before anything starts. So when price feels inconsistent, it's usually because you're not comparing the same type of build. Even if two patio covers look very similar in a photo, the structure, materials, and process behind them can be very, very different. Our goal isn't just to find the lowest number, it's to understand what you're actually getting and how it's going to perform over time. Once you can see those differences clearly, the pricing starts to make a lot more sense.